Hi, my name is Gary and I'm a Mailchimp partner specializing in Mailchimp training and consulting. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'd very much appreciate it. I often get asked by people how they can insert a Google map, for example, or maybe even a Bing map into their email marketing. This is a big problem because if you go into Google Maps, for example, generate your map and get the code that Mailchimp gives to you, it doesn't work in email. The problem is email standards were set many years ago, so it just doesn't work. Because Google doesn't give you an image as such, it gives you some code that generates the map. So I've gone off and created a little tool where you can create an image of a map, or it'll create it automatically for you. And I'll show you how this works, because it will make inserting a map far easier into your email marketing anyway. So let's go across to my website. So the tools I create and so on, I put on this playground website of mine, with the URL being playground.organicweb.com.au, and you can try out the various things I'm testing. But what I'm talking about today is the Google Map generator for email marketing. So I'm going to click on Tools to the side and just show you what this tool does. So there's a form up the top here where you can insert your map address, or where you want the map to show, so that you can insert it into Mailchimp or any other email marketing platform. So for example, look, let me just add my first name here, and I'll just add my email address. The reason I ask for the email address is so that I can send the map to you. Okay, now you just need to fill in the details here of the address, just as you would request an address in Google Maps, for example. So I could even put in here Town Hall, for example. Let's do that. Town Hall, my home city, Brisbane, and let's put in here Queensland. The address line 2 isn't necessary. You don't need to fill it in. Postal code or zip code. And let's put in the country. So in this case, I'm dealing with Australia. So let's put in Australia and click Get My Map. So what happens in the background is this tool goes off and generates the map for you with a marker on the map, and it sends the URL to you. So right now you would already have the URL for your map, for your image, in your email inbox. So when you then go to your email inbox, and when you click on the link that's provided, you'll be provided with a map that looks, that shows your location with the marker of your location. Now this is ready to use in your email marketing. So you could either sort of alternate click and save the image to your desktop to upload into, for example, Mailchimp, or alternately, you can just take the URL. So I'm just going to copy the URL. So all I've done is copied the URL of the image, and I'm going to go over to Mailchimp. So in Mailchimp, I'm creating my email campaign that I want to send with my map. So all I need to do now is, in the content section, I click Edit Design. And we'll just wait for this to load up. And then wherever we want to put the image, we need to add an image block, just to because it's just an image now. The tool has generated a map image for you. So if you don't have one, you can drag and drop the image content block, but I have one here. So I'll just click on the image content block. I'll click Upload an Image. And at this stage, either I can upload it from my desktop if you've saved the image to your desktop, or alternately, I can just click the down arrow and click Import from URL, and I'll just paste in that URL of the map that I would have sent you via email, and I'll click Import. So Mailchimp's gone off, and it's going to bring in or make a copy of that map and insert it, and there we go. It's already the right size and so on, so it's all ready to go. You can add a link if you want to. I recommend you add some alt text, but that's how simple it is. So So just to reiterate, we can't go off to Google Maps and just use the sharing code they give us. It just doesn't work in email. So we need to get an actual image of the place or the map that we want. So if you come to my website at playground.organicweb.com.au, come to the Google map generator, enter in the details of what you want, submit it. You'll then get an email with the URL and with the image, and you can copy it and use it in your email marketing. But thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel. My name's Gary from organicweb.com.au.